street. It's like pants on the ground. Cattle on the street. Cattle on the street. Don't you know?
We're live. It's on.
What is?
Recording. HD video. Cattle drive. What? Excuse me, ma'am. You're gonna need to get out the street. No, not you. The lady in the white pants. It's really not a good day to be wearing white pants, I don't think. We're not allowed to woot, are we? Woot!
I wouldn't.
Okay. Here they come.
There are like 3 of them.
It's exciting.
Oh. I hope it's
You should turn it on.
on.
Kimmy, it helps to turn the camera on.
You taking a picture of me taking pictures?
Yeah.
Can I just say for the record, I'm disappointed there's only like 12.
You can't say that for the record.
Yeah, everybody up on the curve now.
You do not want to be pierced by one of those.
No, sir. Ma'am.
No, sir, ma'am.
Blue britches.
That's awesome. That one right there. Cool. That guy, what's the head guy called?
Forget. Hey, they're wooting.
I think they're allowed to. Awesome. Awesome. And these guys on the side are called the flanks.
He's the cattle boss. He's the drive boss.
The drive boss. Yeah. So cool. I need more flanks, I think. I need more flank guys on my side. Nice. We need more cowbell. More cowbell. Thanks. Oh, sorry.
No, you didn't.
Did he shush me? Did he shush me?
The end.
The end.